So if you've been following the community tab, you know that there's been posts and promises of new content. And I can promise you that that new content is closer than it's ever been. But before that stuff is able to be released and before we put the content out, there were a few things that I wanted to come on here and talk with you about. There's a lot of you, 1,300 and something or other of you who have been loyal to this channel, people who watch every video, who are here for the tutorials, who followed the journey. And before anything else, I just wanted to say what I've said tons of other times, but I had to say it again here, is that I appreciate you being here. I appreciate you engaging, leaving comments, liking videos, sharing it with friends. It's unbelievably appreciated. And hopefully that doesn't change. But what we're planning on doing here is sort of a return to form. Sometimes you try things and they work. Sometimes you try things and they don't work. And more recently, I went to share the journey, which in its concept is really good, but I feel like it's sort of pigeonholed the things that I'm passionate about, the things that I really want to show you. And in showing the journey, I got a little bit lost because I'm a person who loves to serve, and that's kind of why I'm in the service business. I want to find out what people on the other side like, and I want to reverse engineer it so that I can deliver that to them. And in this case of YouTube, I want to be able to find out what you need, the wants, the knowledge that you need, the skills that you would love to learn that I know that I can share with you. And that's where this is all about. So summing that all up and getting to the point, there's going to be a little bit of a rebrand coming to the YouTube channel. I've quickly realized that I don't want this to just be about me. It's not my journey. That just didn't work for me. And I think it's a great idea. It's a great concept, but it just didn't quite hit the mark for me. And so what this is a reset, and not a change, just a sort of a reset. So you're going to see my agency, the brand for my agency, kind of coming into play. It's going to be Redefine Creative, and I'm going to leave my name in here for a little while so that you all find it easy. You know exactly where the videos are, and that logo that you're going to see instead of my face is going to look a little like this. So I just wanted to show it to you. I wanted to let you know it's going to post in the community channel as well so that you can be familiar with what's coming and with those changes, and know that the tutorials that you're used to seeing, those are not going anywhere. The business tips that you're used to seeing are not going anywhere. In fact, if you look around me, the lighting, the lights behind me, the whole set, I think you'd be able to tell, and the audio, that I spent a little bit of money to try and up the production value of what's capable here on the channel. And so, with that said, it's also a great time to reset. So I wanted to put this out here. I wanted you to know that things will adjust a little bit. Things may look a little different, but the core of what we're doing is still the same. And my mindset for the way I'm going to build content is a little bit different. No longer will it be about me sharing my journey. I'm going to share my journey, but not talk about sharing my journey. I'm going to share what I learned. I'm going to share the business tips. I'm going to share the things that continue to develop along the way, all while listening to you and your comments and what you like and what you don't like that gets put out on this channel, and adjusting accordingly so that the videos that can come out of here are going to be what you need. That's where we're at. That's the update to the channel. And more than anything, my goal for the next 12 weeks, it's 3 months, that's a lot of commitment, is a video every week. That thought and that commitment literally just passed through my head. So I'm recording it, I'm putting it out there, and that's the way it's going to be. So I'm going to hold myself to that. And I ask that each one of you hold me to that as well. This is going to be an incredible journey. It's going to be a continuation of the journey, a great next chapter, and I hope that you'll come along from the ride. So if you know somebody who wants to learn about web design, WordPress, and the Divi theme, it's always been the place. It'll always be the place. So please let them know. All right? So I'm going to pop up a couple videos up here in case this is the first time you've ever watched this channel. These are examples of some of the style of videos that I put out on the channel. So check them out. Engage, leave a comment, and start getting into the community.